Hello everyone, this is Jorge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Do you still remember the last video we did on epoxy resin? The one which we failed miserably because the epoxy resin was still sticking to its timber molding. Yes, this one. There were many comments and also suggestions from our audience. So one of them actually proposed that we should use a layer of wax as a separation membrane. And we took his challenge and let us watch this video. To be honest, I was not very pleased or happy with the result this time due to the following reasons. First, the epoxy resin still stick to its original timber molding, but only lesser this time. I think we would have better chance if we were to use a thicker wax or wax with higher viscosity. But anyway, we cannot confirm this just yet. Second, the gold color, which is in water-based, makes the bar even more cloudy and messy, as you can see from this. So that's proof that water-based gold paint doesn't mix very well with epoxy resin. Third, if you'll notice here, all the gold flakes or the golden flakes sink right to the bottom of the epoxy resin. So this is actually not what we wanted because the flakes does not distribute evenly. Well, not all the times our project are successful. Please allow us to improve ourselves, and if you have any advice or you know any better ways to do this, please let me know. Okay, for now, thank you very much for watching my video. Please give me a like and share my video, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell here, ding ding, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Bye bye.